pa ding ice pero hindi na siya cool. Madami pa ding ice. Pero hindi na masyado malamig. Kaya natutunaw na yung sculpture. Yung ibang sculpture kaya cancel na ang event. It's not good. Look at that. Area close. Ladies. Okay. Tingnan yung ice. Ang kapal, diba? Ang ganda. Tara. Let's go another destination.
This one.
This way. What's this way, honey? The other parking lot.
That's not for the
Different parking lot.
Probably can go that way and then turn up.
Oh. Whoops, whoops. Whoops, whoops, whoops. Yan naman yung ayos ng kapal. Bathroom yan. Kapal ng ayos sa bubong.